Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique and today we are going to be reviewing the Colourpop Meant to Be collection. So in this month's box I got the Meant to Be palette. This is what the palette looks like. Then this is what it looks like on the inside. This is the first time I'm opening it. It does have a mirror but it's got the protector thing over it. But this is what the palette looks like. It's super pretty. I really love mint colors, so I'm going to use this today. I'm going to do some swatches. So this is the shade Get Fresh. It's just a really nice light shade, light pastel. Mint Tea, Play It Cool, Seltzer, Mojito Mommy, which is, oh god, I love that. De Mente. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Ice Cold, Freshman, and then this is Chill Factor. Then it also came with a Matcha Love bundle, which is the 4th Ray Matcha Face Milk. The face milks are my favorite. I already have this on my face because I already did my base makeup because I wanted to do an updated foundation routine for you guys and like contour and all of that. So I will be having that video up. I'm not sure if I want to post this one first or that one, but it's coming. I did use this. I use these face milks every single day. They have been a godsend blessing to my face. I have rosacea and I don't know what it is about them, but they really, really help. I have a whole little drawer of them here, and you can see most of these like barely have anything in them because I literally use these every day. And then the second part of that duo of that bundle is the Matcha Love Lippy Scrub. I'm going to go ahead and use this because, oh my god, my lips need something. So I'll this is what it looks like. So I'm going to just like, it feels really good. You know, I've used some sugar scrubs and I don't know what's in this. Let me see if I can find the box. Okay, it doesn't say if this is like a sugar scrub or whatever, but if it is, it's extremely fine sugar. Like, you know, some sugar scrubs are really chunky sugar, and I don't like that. I feel like it's like ripping my lips apart. But I'm going to go ahead and try this now. Listen, I know it's scrubbing, but it's very fine. And it feels so good. Like, it doesn't feel scratchy. It feels like a little tiny bit rough. It needs to because, you know, it's like scrubbing your lips. But it tastes good. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to taste it, but I just did. It tastes like matcha. The dead skin. Oh my god. You can see it coming off. It's like, ew. I do think that this is sugar, but it's not like the chunky sugar. It's like more finely milled. Oh my god, I can see the like dead skin coming off. It doesn't hurt. Oh my god, look how much nicer my lips look. They look so smooth. Okay, so since I did just scrub my lips, I'm gonna use this. This did not come in this PR box. But it did come in another one. This is the Colourpop Just a Tint Lip Crayons. This is the shade The Strand. It's one of my favorites. I just need something on my lips right now to moisturize while I do my eye look and go for the rest of this stuff. And these are one of my favorite things. This is something else. Like, I don't talk about these much on my channel because I don't usually do these for looks for Instagram because these are more natural and I usually go with something like a liquid lipstick or something. But in my everyday life, I use these every single day. If I go to the movies, if we go grocery shopping, anything just around the house, I use this every single day. Any of these colors, there's some of them that give more of a tint. This one's like perfectly matched to my lips, so this is why it's like one of my favorites. But these are so moisturizing and they give like the perfect little tint of color. Love these. Can't recommend them enough. While I'm at this point, let me just mention that I do have a code with Colourpop and it is 5Angelique. I don't know if I get commission off that. I don't think so. but I think it helps me to stay on PR if you use that code, so please use that code. Okay, so also in the box came 2 Super Shock shadows. This one is called Flux, and it is a matte shade, and here it is swatched out. I love this, love it. I'm probably going to use this today. And then the other one is Meant for You, and it's a metallic, and there it is, this darker one with some metallic shimmer in it. And then it also came with 2 Glitterly Obsessed glitters, and these are the gel glitters. This is body glitter. So they kind of look similar. They're both like a white on the inside. They've got the same shape. They're the same texture, but they do have different reflex. So these are the glitter gels, and I'll go ahead and like swatch it a little bit. Like this one, so you can see it's got like some green reflex in it and some pink. It's called Mint Condition. And then here's the other one. The top one has more like pinky purpley reflex, and the bottom one has more like green and like yellow. Alright, so let's get on with the tutorial part. Okay, so I have primed my eyes, and then I've also got on these shadow shields to keep anything from falling down on my face because I have already done my base, and then also it'll help us give us that perfect little wing. The first shade I'm going to go in with is called Ice Cold, and it's that darker green shade. Taking that on a Morphe M508 brush, and I'm just going to outline where I want the like cat eye effect type of shape to go. Now I'm just going to wiggle my brush back and forth a little bit over the edge because I don't want this to be super blended up here. This is supposed to be kind of harsh, but not like too harsh. And then I'm just going to blend it down some. Literally just taking that shadow and dragging it down just a little. So I'm kind of just blending that down so it kind of like fades down. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Squeezed. I'm going to place it right in here just to help blend that. It's a little bit of a softer shade. Next I'm going to dip into this Flux shade that I love so much. I'm going to use this on a Colourpop E4 brush. I'm applying that to my entire lid. And then I'll just blend it up a little bit, tap it over the edge of those other shades that we just did. And then I'll go back in with that Seltzer shade just to blend those together. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take these shadow shields off. Ow. I'm going to repeat the same process on the bottom. I'm going to go darker to lighter. I'm going to start off with Ice Cold, right up against the lash line. Then I'm going to use Seltzer to blend that out underneath. So I have some of these gold nail jewels that I got from Amazon, and I'll try to leave a link below. There's some little tiny circle ones in here, and I'm just applying them right above the shadow and just spacing them out equally. I'm going to throw on some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Mojito Mommy, and I'll pop that right on the inner corner. And for lips, I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Slide. This did not come in this PR package, but I did get it in PR before. This Ultra Blotted Lip formula is my absolute favorite. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how it turned out. Mint is one of my favorite colors. If you don't like mint, obviously this collection is not for you, but if you do, then I would definitely recommend this. This is a 9-pan shadow and it's only $12. Plus you can use my code Angelique to save some more money. The Super Shock shadows that I used Flux. They are $6 each. The matcha set with the 4-ray face milk and the lip scrub, that's $14. I love that lip scrub. I'm going to be using that every single time before I film. The glitter gels are $8 each. I did not use them this time, but I have used these in looks already. I'll post a look here that I use this with. I really do like these. I really loved how this turned out. I planned on putting some of this like right here on the lid, but this look turned out so good I didn't want to mess with it anymore. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, I would encourage you to do so because I do post a lot of looks on there that I don't film for YouTube. So I have like extra content on there. So I'm going to leave the link here. I'm going to throw up a few pictures for you guys to see the stuff that I post on there that I haven't had a chance to post on here. And if you're watching my video and you're new, if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one.